Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to English grade 8 video lessons. Students, today we are going to talk about another student's learning outcome, and this is related to your reading comprehension, your understanding of reading, whether you're reading any kind of text, whether it's an essay, any article, or any main lesson. We are going to talk about what is a topic sentence and how you can recognize it in different paragraphs. The learning outcome says to recognize features of an effective topic sentence using specific words and also vivid verbs. We are going to see that in a text, when it is divided into different paragraphs, and each paragraph contains a topic sentence which gives the main idea, and that statement, that sentence, have some specific words through which we can recognize the main idea, and also some verbs that are vivid, which can ignite an image in your head. Now, let's talk about it in detail today in this lesson. Here is a vertical linkage, and now, students, can you perform this brainstorming session for a minute? Think of a topic you are interested in. It can be about any activity, hobby, or anything interesting that you like. Can you write a sentence that clearly states the main idea of the topic? Why are you writing that paragraph? What are you trying to say? How can you just say it in one sentence? Quickly do this activity, write 5 or 6 sentences, and then we can move on. All right, students, we are talking about identifying effective topic sentences with specific language, and that language includes your specific words and also the vivid verbs. Let's begin the lesson by understanding what a topic sentence is. It is very much clear by the name that the sentence contains the topic. A topic sentence is a sentence that introduces a paragraph by presenting one topic that will be the focus of that paragraph. It means that that specific one sentence is leading the different specific details and supporting details. Topic sentences are used for mostly they are used for non-fiction writing. Here is the structure. You can divide the topic sentence into 2 parts. There will come your topic plus the main idea and the focus of that paragraph. It means that the very first, the introductory, the opening statement, sentence or line is your topic sentence, which is clarifying the topic, hinting on it, and also giving you some focus on the main idea. So by reading the very first sentence of a paragraph, you know what is coming your way in the next coming lines. And all those lines are actually catering to the topic sentence, to the main idea of that paragraph. For example, you're writing about your favorite sport. The very first sentence will clarify the sport you like and what is the main idea that you're going to cover in it. Or if you're mentioning any social problem, any condition or situation that needs attention. Now, let's see, where can we find a topic sentence? Is it just in the very first paragraph of the whole text or the essay? Or is it just with every paragraph of that text? Now, every paragraph should include a topic sentence that identifies the main idea of the paragraph. And all these paragraphs as a whole shares the complete picture and complete idea about the text. This is why we divide our text, our essays, or different written texts into different paragraphs so that we can talk about the idea in a very organized way, converted into different paragraphs, and each paragraph, the very first sentence, will be your topic sentence. This is the identification of a very well written paragraph, that it contains a topic sentence. Now, a topic sentence also states the point the writer wishes to make about the subject. Generally, the topic sentence appears at the beginning of the paragraph. It is often the paragraph's very first sentence. Now, this is very much important because we know that in constructing a paragraph, we write a topic sentence, supporting details, and also a conclusion. Today, we are going to just talk about the very first thing, which is a topic sentence, to make your paragraphs strong and powerful. Now, let us talk about the specific language that the writer uses in the paragraphs. Yes, there are, since this is a topic sentence, it should be very much strong with specific words that are important and also verbs that actually grips you as a reader. The specific words, for example, instead of saying thing, you can say object, item, or artifact. You can use the synonyms that are stronger than the word that you have in the basic form. Instead of saying said, we can use whispered, shouted, or muttered, and we can tell the manner of the saying, and the whole tone of the paragraph can be set over here. So you have to use very particular specific words. You need to enhance your vocabulary for this purpose so that you can make a very good topic sentence. Now, another thing is that is included in the specific language is your verbs. Verbs are very much important. Instead of using the word walk, you can use the word in to show some specific image in the head. Stroll. Now, stroll is different than walking. Saunter, amble. Instead of saying eat, you can use, if the subject is enjoying the food, you can say, instead of eating or eat, you can say devour or devouring, savor, or nibble. So, by using these specific vivid verbs, we can actually get into the reader's mind and convey the message clearly with vivid verbs. And you can similarly use some specific words in your topic sentence to make it stronger. Remember, students, that the topic sentence should not be compromised on. It should be very much clear and it should be perfect. So in order to do that, we take the help of specific language. Now, students, if you open your book, page number 71, you can see and find the main lesson. This is about road safety, which is according to the theme and sub-theme of this unit. And you can see that the very first line over here is your topic sentence. Giving way on the road means letting others go before you. This is the very first paragraph of the lesson, of the text. You can call it an article or an essay or instruction, a text full of instructions. So this paragraph is telling you, this statement is telling you what is going to come over here and what is the main idea. The main idea is giving way on the road. To let others pass, give way, be empathetic and sympathetic of others. Now, this is about giving way on the road. As a driver, if you're driving, your vehicle should give some space to others to let them pass, or the pedestrians as well. And this happens when there are rules or situations that say one car or person should go first. And all these different sentences are actually making our topic sentence stronger by all these details. Now, this was the very first paragraph. If you move on to the next page, you can find another paragraph by the heading, and you can see that the very first line, now this paragraph is talking about if you're turning, you must give way to vehicles that are going straight ahead. So while turning your vehicle, you have to give way to other vehicles, other people that are going straight ahead so that you can avoid any collision. And that's why what are we going to learn in this paragraph? It is very much clear with our topic sentence that we are going to learn about the rules and ways of turning so that other people can pass easily. and these remaining sentences are your supporting details that are actually favoring and making your topic sentence stronger. Now, though this is the main, this is part of the main text, this is the second paragraph, still it has a topic sentence. Similarly, every paragraph should have a topic sentence. Now, if you keep on reading, on the next page, you can find this third paragraph where you have the opening sentence, which tells you about the main idea of this paragraph, a very short paragraph. If you're turning right, you must give way to all vehicles coming towards you, including those turning left. And now this sentence is talking about the rule of how we are going to do it. So it means that this, even if it is a 3-sentence paragraph or a 2-sentence paragraph, the very first topic sentence, the statement, is very much important. Now, students, if you keep on reading the main lesson, in the further paragraphs, you can notice that the opening statement, the topic sentence, is giving you a hint that what you're going to learn in this paragraph. And this fulfills the purpose of our topic sentence. Now, I hope that you're clear about it. The topic sentence includes your topic, which we see that it was about turning some. Now, the other paragraphs are about giving way, moving around, or taking a roundabout, and so on. And the rest of the sentences will give you more supporting details about that topic sentence. So, the main idea, if you want to look for a main idea, you can find it in the topic sentence. Here, students, let us do this quickly. You can pause the video and read the statement. What is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is, this is at or near the start of the paragraph, at the end, the main idea of the paragraph, a small detail from the paragraph, 1 or 2 words, or a complete sentence. So there can be multiple correct options over here. You have to take all of them. This is at the start of the paragraph, the main idea of the paragraph, a complete sentence. So these 3 are correct. I hope you got your answers right. All these are making our topic sentence senseful and logical. Now, students, if you see this slide over here, the sentences below are all topic sentences taken from different paragraphs. Highlight the topic and underline the main idea in each one. So do it quickly, read each sentence and tell us that what is the main idea that you think the topic sentence is conveying, what is the main focus, and what possibly are you going to learn in this paragraph. All right, take your time. Let's continue it. Number 1 is global warming is one of the most serious problems facing society today. What is the main topic? What do you think the writer is talking about in this whole paragraph? He's talking about global warming. And the paragraph with the specific words and details is going to show you the all of the serious problems that global warming is putting on us. Second one, of all the academic skills, one of the most important to practice daily is reading. Now, what are we talking about? This is about academic skills, and we are specifically focusing on reading. Number C, for most people, changing dietary and exercise habits can be very challenging. Here, this topic sentence gives us the main idea about diet, taking care of your health. And what are we talking about? Changing dietary and exercising habits. This will be covering, now this topic is going to be covered in all of the paragraph that you're going to see next. And finally, American students have more educational debt than ever before. Now, the main idea is about debt, and the writer is going to talk about how the debt increased and what are the problems that students are facing because of the student debt. Now, just by reading the topic sentence, the opening statement, the hook, we can clearly understand the main idea and we can predict what the paragraph will be about. Now, students, you will have this worksheet where you have to read the following essay about living abroad and fill in the topic sentence. Now, this is an essay, but the topic sentence is eliminated for you to put the right topic sentence with the right paragraph. You have to make sense and you have to see which topic sentence is coming in the first paragraph, in the second one, and so on. So I hope that you will enjoy solving this worksheet and this will clarify your whole understanding of the main lesson about topic sentence. All these resources are available. You can get the worksheet, this PPT attached with the lesson plan so that you can understand about the topic sentence. We are not going to understand how it is written. We will do it later on in other lessons. Today, we are just going to see that how we can recognize and identify the main idea in a topic sentence. That was all about today, students. I hope that you had great time learning about it. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.